Hi, let me tell you about another great Manning book, Functional Design and Architecture, Examples in Haskell, written by Alexander Granin.
Software design is a critical aspect of development, involving universal concepts like requirement analysis, modularization, and testing. Functional Declarative Design, FDD, is introduced as a methodology for statically typed functional languages, offering a novel pattern called Hierarchical Free Monads, HFM. This book targets developers looking to enhance their functional programming skills and knowledge in software design. Functional programming, FP, is chosen for its ability to make code safer, more concise, and enjoyable, particularly excelling in parallel and concurrent code. It simplifies complex tasks and offers a different set of tools to solve problems, broadening a developer's skill set. Software design manages complexity by translating business requirements into structured solutions. It involves creating design documents and ensuring the software meets both functional and non-functional requirements. Software design is about risk management and choosing the right tools and techniques to minimize future problems. FP offers benefits like parallelism and determinism, contributing to simpler and more manageable code. Software design balances essential complexity, inherent to the software's function, with accidental complexity, stemming from chosen tools or methods, which should be minimized. Low coupling and high cohesion are key principles, applicable to both OOP and FP. Functional programming adapts existing design principles, emphasizing mathematical invariance and generalizing properties to functional idioms like functors. Imperative programming, dominant from the 1950s to the 1990s, emphasizes the how of coding, with patterns like modularity and polymorphism. Object-oriented design, OOD, uses established patterns and principles like solid and grasp, whereas applying these principles to functional programming remains largely unexplored in the literature. Software design is crucial across all paradigms, ensuring well-structured and maintainable code. This book explores design thinking in the functional paradigm, both by introducing unique ideas and by reusing concepts from other paradigms. Functional programming, initially academic, gained traction with languages like Haskell, which introduced concepts like laziness and strong type systems. These ideas addressed the limitations of imperative programming, particularly in managing side effects and state, crucial for parallel programming. Key principles include immutability and purity, ensuring deterministic behavior, and reducing bugs in concurrent code. Static type systems catch errors at compile time, minimizing debugging needs. Functional patterns and idioms, such as monads, simplify complex operations like error handling and state management. Monads manage side effects, enabling clean, expressive code. Functional programming principles, including composition and declarative design, are applicable across various languages, enhancing software maintainability and simplicity.
Get this book at manning.com.